G'day guys, Justin from Battleforge Gaming here. Welcome to a BFG quick tip on how to paint the chitin on Hive Fleet Leviathan. The first step is to prime your model with Wraithbone primer. Once your Wraithbone primer has dried, we are going to apply 2 thin coats of Pallid Wych flesh. Don't worry if you get some of this on the carapace, as we will be painting that later. With the Pallid Wych flesh dry, the next step is to shade the entire model with 1 part Screamer Pink to 10 parts Lahmian medium. With the shade fully dried, we are going to apply an overbrush of Pallid Wych flesh. This is just going to lighten the chitin up, so it adds a better contrast for when we paint the carapace. The final step in this process is to add a single edge highlight of white scar. You are simply going to move around the entirety of the chitin and pick out all the high points, with most of them being on the face. Once you finish this step, you have completed the chitin, so we will do an overview and show you what it looks like completed. With the white scar highlight completed, you have finished your Hive Fleet Leviathan chitin. Stay tuned for the next BFG quick tip, which is going to be how to paint Hive Fleet Leviathan carapace. Hopefully you have found this tutorial helpful.